not only to our community, but broader to the, I can say, to all human beings. So now it's time for some souvenirs from our rector, and I would like to rector from Pakistan, and then just okay.
Yes, this is a brand new album of our university, edited for the 25th anniversary, and some small gifts that you remember our university and welcome you here again.
Thank you. Thank you. So, this is for the rector, and this is a Pakistani traditional kind of a handmade. So you can pass it on to him, and he can wear it wherever he wants. And with the traditional cap of Sindh province. This is where Karachi. So these two kindly, if you could pass on to him, and this is from my side.
I will. Thanks a lot.
Yeah.
Thank you.
The director. Now this is for you. Remember it, you know, we honor the Pakistan Academy of Sciences. This is another the highest scholar that contributes to the man. We pass this on to such people. You are certified because the 2 days that I watched you, you are a great human being. So thank you for everything. And plus you can have a little try like I have one. So this is from Pakistan Academy. Again, a cap can be look like a Karachi. I think. Yeah.
Okay.
You are our the dean.
Yes.
This is from my university, where we present this on behalf of the.
Okay, all right. Thank you.
That you wonderful organization, and thanks for helping the director and everybody. You can have it. This is now yours, and this should remind you that you have organized a very good.
Thank you very much.
Okay.
Thank you for coming. Once more, sorry.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
And last but not least, for you.
Okay.
Magda, there are two things that we tell you. This is for the ladies when we honor them with a great respect. From again, handmade from Karachi. You can have this like this in winter or in spring. And thanks for everything. She came. She was the wonderful
Evening party.
Yeah.
No, we are familiar.
Family, I call her my sister, and she can warn her husband that he has to be careful with her. And still not enough. I think you can deserve to have some more. A gift from the university. That was my personal, but this is from official. Thank you for organizing everything, and you can have this one. Just to remember that you organized everything. Yeah, thank you. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Okay, I would like to thank you for the souvenir on behalf of the rector. And now I think we would like to thank you very much for the participation of rector and our dean. And in a few seconds, we will change a little bit